A ran Plaid Cymru, Rhina Biorwerth.
Diolch Llywydd. Brif weinidog, pan mae yna restra aros hir am driniaeth, mae cwmnïau iechyd preifat yn cynnig y cyfle i gleifion osgoi amseroedd aros drwy dalu ffi, a mae nifer o etholwyr wedi dweud wrtha i bod nhw wedi cael eu hannog i ystyried talu i fynd yn breifat am driniaeth neu ddiagnosis cyflymach. A mae hynny yn golygu bod triniaeth yn dod yn rhywbeth sy'n seiliedig ar y gallu i dalu. Rwan, ydych chi'n cytuno bod hyn gyfystyr a chreu system iechyd ddwy haen ac onid preifateiddio graddol ydy hyn mewn difri?
Hollol yn erbyn privateiddio. Dyna pam wrth gwrs ni wedi mwy ar iechyd nag eriod o'r blaen mwyn sicrhau bod y gwasanaeth ar gael i'n pobl.
I would argue that it is increasing the role of privatisation. There's another form of creeping privatisation going on that I can point you to. Are you aware that under your watch there are plans to privatise more dialysis services in the north of Wales? And we're not talking here about the contracting of a company to do a particular job of work, say tackling a backlog of elective surgery. We're talking about outsourcing core NHS services to a private company. And figures seen by Plaid Cymru suggest that the saving will be around £700,000, and much of that saving, it seems, will come from staff entitlements to sickness pay, to holiday pay and pensions. You must agree that that is creeping NHS privatisation.
Well, the facts as he put it, I cannot agree with. No, I agree with him, but I'm not aware of the situation as he describes it. But if he writes to me with details, I will, of course, investigate with him.
I'll certainly send Betsy Cadwaladr's plans for the increased privatisation of dialysis to you. Those two examples are very, very different. But there's a common theme there, I think, of private companies playing an increasing role in healthcare, picking away at NHS services. And I'm not really driven by ideology on this. At the end of the day, surely we want a better NHS for both patients and staff. But profiting from waiting times, profiting from core services, creating a two-tier system where the rich get signposted to quicker treatment, outsourcing to cut costs to the detriment of hard-working NHS staff, this is not acceptable. We know it's wrong. I'm quite confident that the public think it's wrong. So why is Labour in Wales allowing it to happen?
No, we are not. But I'm surprised to hear him say he's not driven by ideology, because we are. I can tell you on these benches. And we are driven by the ideology of making sure people have an NHS free at the point of service. Now, if Plaid Cymru doesn't believe in that, or doesn't have an ideology on the health service of all things, then perhaps they could tell us more. No, we do not agree with privatisation. That is why, of course, we have set our face against initiatives such as PFI, set our face against initiatives that we see in England, where the NHS is being privatised. In Wales, the NHS will remain in the public sector.